In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Workspace ID in Notion. This is especially useful if you're working with integrations, automations, or any tools that need to connect to your Notion workspace. The Workspace ID is like an identifier for your specific space in Notion, and knowing where to find it can save you a lot of time and confusion. First, make sure you're logged into your Notion account and that you're in the correct workspace where you want to grab the ID. You can do this in the desktop app or in a browser. The steps are exactly the same. Let's start by going to the top left corner of your Notion window. You'll see your workspace name and, just above the list of pages, your profile name or icon. Click on your profile name in that top left area. This opens up a menu that gives you access to your account options and workspace settings. If you have multiple workspaces, this is also where you can switch between them, so double check you're in the right one before you continue. From that menu, look for the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will open the Notion settings panel, usually as a window or sidebar on the screen. Inside here, you'll see different sections related to your account, notifications, appearance, and workspace details. Next, in the settings panel, find and click on the section called General. The General section contains the basic information and preferences for your current workspace. If you don't see it right away, check the left side of the settings window for a list of categories and select General from there. Once you're in the General section, scroll or look through the options until you see something labeled Workspace ID. This is the exact value you need. It's typically a combination of letters and numbers that uniquely identifies your workspace. At this point, you can select the Workspace ID and copy it, so you can paste it into whatever tool, integration, or configuration you're setting up. Be careful not to change anything else in your settings while you're here, especially if you share this workspace with a team. That's all you need to do. By clicking your profile name, opening settings, going to the General tab, and locating the Workspace ID field, you can quickly and reliably find your